All right, everybody, here we are on Orion at Kings Island in Ohio. This is a roller coaster of the Giga category. And what does that mean to all of you? It means that it stands over 300 feet tall, or just about at 300 feet. But man, this is, wow, that is a tall lift hill. And we are climbing this actually pretty fast for being a 300-foot tall roller coaster. We are already almost at the top. Man, that was, I didn't even have time to be terrified, but I think I'm a little bit terrified. Oh crap, look, oh man, look at this. Oh my, no! Whoa! Oh, that is fast, oh my God! Oh, I don't even have time to scream! Here we go! Whee! Oh! Woohoo! Oh! Ready? Whee! Hello, Eiffel Tower! No! Oh man! I think I might have grayed out just a tiny bit right there. Oh! Oh! I love it! Whee! And here we go! Oh man! Wow, what a crazy ride! Whew! Gotta catch my breath. Gotta catch my breath. Oh my God! And that was Orion here at Kings Island in Ohio, near Cincinnati, and right next to that giant box that's right there. Hello, box. Hi, Rob. How's it going, box? Pretty good. I'm just a big box next to Orion. I knew that, box. That's why I said that. Anyway, guys, that is Orion, Kings Island, Ohio. And that right there is a giant box.
Woo!